Alright, I decided to pull out the ET6 today. This is the flyball governor model of the ET. I haven't had it out since the last time it was on the channel, so I guess we'll look and see. It's probably been over a year since this has been out and run. I checked it for spark, put batteries in, checked it for spark. So let's see, we turn this on and give it about a quarter turn. The needle valve was open when I fueled it, so it should be primed. Although I guess it's been sitting out in the cold while the other engine ran, so now it's real stiff. There we go. All right. There we go. Well, it must have fired because it spun so quick there. Let's see if we can get it to... Well, we'll give it one more spin and then check the plug to see if I got the plug all wet. So it's definitely pushing fuel out the exhaust here. So, find the screwdriver. This is a cheap 4-way screwdriver from Home Depot is this one, but I've gotten them at the dollar store. They're just the right size for these spark plugs, and oh yeah, I got that spark plug all wet. So, dry plug. Since it's out, we'll check the spark again. Oh. Apparently it got cold enough these batteries quit working, because I checked the spark right away when I brought it out, but there's no spark now, so they must have gotten cold and quit having enough power, because I'm using really old batteries until they're completely dead. So we'll pause a minute and I'll put new batteries in and get the spark checked then.